uyabona ukuthi laba bantu base South Africa abanamthetho bayahlanya nokuhlanya.
Police walk. Hey Chokoza.
Hey guys, so things are bad in South Africa, man. After following the recent xenophobic attacks on foreign nationals, man, South Africans says they are tired of foreign nationals in their country. We all know and are aware that South Africa has had an immigration problem from a long time ago, man. You feel me? They've been going back and forth, man, with this matter. But now, man, I think now it's quite different because, you feel me, now I think most South Africans are stepping in, man, you feel me. Most people are now supporting this movement, as you can see here, man, you feel me. But what I hate is the manner which they want to achieve this, man, you feel me. Like, no violence against foreign nationals must be permitted because these people have kids, man. Imagine you attack somebody's mom there, like, for selling veggies in the street, man. You feel me? It doesn't make sense, man. I think we should find another way. So the main reason behind these xenophobic attacks is mainly because of the economy, the status of the economy currently. You feel me? So ever since COVID-19, the economy has really been struggling, and a lot of people have been feeling like foreign nationals take their jobs, you feel me. So yeah, like, that's the main perpetrator for these current attacks on foreign nationals. And I really gotta state this: all of the politicians in South Africa are against these attacks, man, you feel me. Even Malema is not supporting. Even Malema is anti-xenophobic, you feel me.
We don't have peace. We need peace. Please, this is too much. Like now, I'm not working. They broke my salon. They just entered the settlement too much. They spoiled everything. Where do I start from? Where do I start from? What is all this? We are parents. We've got heart. Our kids are suffering. They're going to the school and take out the child. Just imagine the trauma that the child will have at that time. This is very bad. It's too much. Xenophobia must stop. We are all Africans. They're also saying that we take.
And I know it's a hard cookie to swallow, man, but you feel me. We don't have to ignore red flags, man. Things can go bad from here. They can get worse, man. On the 20th, man, you feel me. There's a small organization that are gathering people together, man, to go and attack foreign nationals. So basically, it's a warning. They want all foreign nationals out of their country by the 30th, man. You feel me? Is it June? Nah, it's April, boys. This month. You feel me? So on the 30th, like in 10 days from like the making of this video, man. So I'm just warning everyone to be careful, man. Be careful and try to stay safe, man. You feel me? Following the recent attacks, the Ghanaian government had organized a chartered flight from South Africa straight to Ghana, man, for free, man. The plane was scheduled to departure today, which is the 21st. But guess what, bro? Only one Ghanaian, bro. Only one person like from Ghana appeared, man, at OR Tambo International Airport at that time, man. So I don't really know whether his plane ended up taking off, because the plane was set to be awaiting like 300 people, but only one person arrived, man. And if you feel me, it's a lot in South Africa right now, bro. You feel me?
For any Ghanaian like moving around this area, so I think it won't be happening. Or yeah, I think so.
Why are you leaving South Africa?
No, it's not like maybe I feel like because of xenophobic attacks, that's why I'm leaving South Africa, but I can't stay here for long, and here's not where I'm from. Yeah, so I have to go back home and rest there. Yeah.
And when did you come to South Africa?
I came here 2024. Yeah, 2024. So I just preferred to go back home. Yeah. Even I was planning to go back home last year, and there is a small situation happening at home. That's why I just say, okay, let me just wait for next year. But God willing, it has been happening. So we are just waiting for the flight to take off. But
Very wise guy indeed, man. Decided to value his life and go back home, man. You feel me? Cause shit is not working out, man. Here, I think this time these people are pissed off. Like it's been like people have been complaining like left, right, and center, but the government has been failing the people. You feel me? They have been failing the people from the start. Now the unemployment rate is too high. People are struggling, bro. Like everything is just too high. I think one more thing that people ignore about foreign nationals, not all of them are criminals, you feel me? Like in South Africa, there's that stereotype that all Nigerians are criminals, that they sell drugs, you feel me? All kind of. Most of these people contribute massively to our economy, even if we don't realize it. But these people contribute to our economy, man. So literally, they helped make the economy what it is today. So literally, they helped make you and me what we are today, bruh.
Uyabona ukuthi laba bantu base South Africa abanamthetho bayahlanya nokuhlanya. Ulandele emuva umuntu uholayo imali eningi ahle odwa nefamily yakhe nabafazi bakhe. Wena mawuphuma emgqaqweni uhamba uyinja nje inuhayo masende. Uhamba uyinja inuhayo masende. Le ndoda lesephambi kwakho iyafika ibhebe umfazi wayo kahle nje, umfazi ajabula ukuthi usebenzile sithola imali. Wena uholanga lutho, uyisituda, uyalandela nje lento engekho umthwethweni, busy nokulandela amasimba. Ucabanga ukuthi kube igroup emgqaqweni kwenza ukuthi thina sihambe. Asihambe indawo andile niyenza ukuthi sibe nama ID lani South Africa.
I just hope that peace will be made, that a solution will be found before the dirty earth, man. You feel me? Before things get bad, man. Before they go from bad to worse, man. On BD. I ain't gonna lie, man. It's your boy Twadi, and I'm out.